What if you could discover the next big trend before everyone else? Imagine having an AI tool that analyzes huge amounts of data in seconds and helps you make smarter decisions faster than ever. That's exactly what MiroFish AI claims to do. But is it really the future of market research? Let's find out. Market research is essential for every business. Companies need to understand what customers want, what trends are growing, and where new opportunities are emerging. The problem is that traditional research can take a lot of time and effort. That's where AI tools like MiroFish AI come in. MiroFish AI is an artificial intelligence platform designed to analyze large amounts of information and turn it into useful insights. Instead of spending hours collecting and reviewing data manually, users can rely on AI to process information much faster. The platform looks for patterns, trends, and signals that may help businesses understand what's happening in their industry. This can be useful for marketers, entrepreneurs, content creators, and business owners who want to stay ahead of competitors. As more data becomes available online every day, tools like MiroFish AI are becoming increasingly valuable. One of the biggest advantages of MiroFish AI is speed. It can analyze information much faster than a human researcher. For businesses, this means quicker access to insights and potentially better decision-making. For example, if a company wants to understand customer interests or identify a growing trend, AI can help organize and analyze that information in a matter of minutes. This allows businesses to react faster and adapt to changes in the market more effectively. So, is MiroFish AI the future of market research? It may not replace human expertise completely, but it can certainly make research faster and more efficient. The real value comes from combining AI-powered insights with human judgment and experience. As AI technology continues to improve, tools like MiroFish AI will likely play a bigger role in how businesses understand markets and customers. What do you think about AI-powered market research? Could tools like MiroFish AI change the way businesses make decisions? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI content.